Namaskar, good morning. Today we will practice the pranayam exercises to improve our immune system. In this category, very first we will practice the Bhrastika pranayam, in which you have to sit in Sukhasana like this position, and your spine should be straight and arm should be on the knees. And after this, you have to take deep breath forcefully and hold it for some time. And after that, you have to exhale forcefully with same intensity and speed, and practice this exercise at least 30 times for the beginners. Okay, now we will start the exercise, and you will practice at your home while watching this video. Second exercise of pranayam is Kapalbhati. In this exercise, you have to take deep breath, and afterward you have to exhale the air with the help of your belly muscles with the stroke like this. Exercise of pranayam is Anulom Vilom, in which you will use your right hand and place your thumb on your right side nostril. Slowly inhale from your left nostril. Hold this breath for some time and close both the nostril, and afterward you release the thumb and exhale from your right nostril. And again inhale from your right nostril. Keep the thumb again on your nostril, and afterward exhale from your left nostril. Continue this exercise for 20 to 30 times. Fourth exercise of this pranayam is Bhramri. In this pranayam exercise, you have to keep your thumbs on your ears and 3 fingers on your eyes and index finger on your forehead. Inhale deep and produce the sound of honeybee through your throat like this. Perform this exercise also approx 20 times daily. Exercise of this pranayam is Udgi. In this pranayam exercise, we have to sit in Sukhasana position and Dhyan Mudra, and also close your eyes. Inhale deep and utter chant of Om. Practice these exercises daily, morning and evening with empty stomach, at least 20 to 30 times each exercise every day to improve your immune system to fight against the any kind of disease.